Hello? Have you ever had that issue when you go to put all your tools away at the end of the day and you go to put away your sawhorses and you realize your sawhorses take up more room than you like? I've had that problem. And I had that problem 25 years ago, so I made a set of sawhorses that will fold in as soon as you pick them up. You can hang them against the wall, you can hang them against anything, the side of your garage, on the wall, in your basement, in your shop. You could just leave them against, they don't take up any room, and they really don't cost that much money to build or take that much time. So that's what I'm here this afternoon to tell you and show you. I'm going to show you how to build these things for less than $20 a piece. Okay, I'll be right back. And I'm back. And so I'm going to show you the sawhorse that I built 25 years ago so you get an idea of what this is all about. I built this one and another one 25 years ago. So it's seen its better days, obviously, but for that I still use them 25 years later. And let me tell you, they have saved me a ton of money, time, effort. I mean, not money so much, but effort in trying to find space in my shop. They're so simple. So let's get busy and I'll show you how to do this. The first thing we need are 2x4s, okay? You need 31-inch 2x4s. Cut these down, okay? 31 inches. Very simple. You can use any kind of 2x4, any kind of wood, pine or whatever else is available at the hardware store. And the 31-inch 2x4 for the cross piece. Okay, very simple. And then you'll need your cross pieces. Those are also 31 inches. I just used 1x4s and 1x6. This is what I had available. What this project is, you could do it with the scrap lumber that you have in your shop. It's so simple, but it works so good. You don't have to get extravagant, or you don't have to be a carpenter guru to make these things, and they will last a long time. So, okay, first thing we do is we put the hinges on top of two 2x4s, just like so, with 3-inch screws. All right. I've already done that. I'm not going to take them apart again. You want to make sure that the hinge pin is to the inside though, because you put that top board on and the board will hit it and it'll ride up above. So the pin needs to go to the inside of the boards. And you take your 31-inch board and you screw it on top of it. And obviously I got to spread these out a little bit farther. And you put those screws in on the same side of the board. Okay? Here is the top side. Okay? Top side over here too. And that's important because if you don't do that, then your legs, your sawhorses are not going to fold up. Okay? They'll fold up, but they'll be at all cockeyed and... So anyways, let's put those in. You want to make sure you don't put your screws in so we're too far in towards the hinges, because then they'll hit the hinge. So like that. In fact, this one I think I'll turn around because the space on the hinges is greater on one side than the other. And that's okay because there's enough board there to support it. Oh, I did it again. the 3-inch screws will down into the board far enough to hold the board and to hold all this together for. So that's why I would use 3-inch screws. They'll work. They'll work just fine. And there he is. There he is. Without the supports. You gotta have supports. So I'm going to do this off to the side so you guys can see this. Very simple. Like I said, you need to put these up 7 inches up off the floor. That way your feet don't kick them. And to put these in, just need 1-inch screws. It's more than enough. More than enough to go through the 1x4s and into the 2x4. Okay. Okay, so yeah, like I said, 7 inches up, and I've already marked these. So I like to do them one side at a time, but that's just me. Kind of weird like that. I mean, one screw at a time. Okay, so you got that done, we got that done. So now here then these are very important because they keep the legs from going like this. These are the supports. You put these down I got them down about 7 inches off the top. And I'll drill a hole through these 1-inch boards, 7.5 inches long. You put a hole through there that the screw can go through and that it pivots on. Okay? And then when it comes down, it'll hit this notch, and the notch will go onto the screw that's on the other board to keep the legs from separating or coming together. So that's the purpose of these. You don't want to make them tight or they won't pivot. Okay, very important. Obviously. The other thing is you need to make sure that the notches are facing downwards so they can hook onto the 2x4 or the screw, excuse me, like this. Let's see, here we go. So then now you have a sawhorse. Wow. Just like that. And just like that. So here, I'll show you the braces. This is how they work, just like that. Okay, I'm sure you'll be able to figure it out, but for demonstration purposes. Yep, and then there they are. And there is your collapsible sawhorse. Solid, it's so solid that a man that's 240 pounds can sit on it and rock back and forth, and I can sit on this all day. It's very comfortable. Okay? So, now that we're all done with that, I would like it if you guys would like the video. If you don't, so be it. Leave a comment if you have something to tell me what I did wrong. my hat looks bad, whatever, anything, I'll appreciate it and I will take it in stride. Also, I will be making more videos like this in the future. So if you would subscribe to my channel, I would appreciate it. Okay? All right. Have a good day. I'll see you later.